have in store for us today?
Ambulance service, is the patient breathing?
During the NHS's hottest and busiest summer, North West Ambulance Service received an average of 4,000 cries for help every day.
It's me, I've been stabbed. It's his boy.
He's getting blue! A car has driven into 5 pedestrians.
5 casualties, 1 cardiac arrest, major trauma.
Our ETA is approximately 10 minutes, over.
As the temperature rose, the pressure built.
Emergency disconnect, please!
We currently have 80 jobs, including this, for waiting allocation in Greater Manchester.
An hour and a quarter since I rang the ambulance, so she's in agony.
Decisions had to be made on who got help and who had to wait.
Nothing bad's gonna happen.
Have you got some more towels for me? Plenty of blankets and towels.
But whether saving lives or catching those who've fallen through the gaps,
Just one small step.
crews were always on call for the 2.8 million people of Greater Manchester and beyond. This is the story behind the sirens.
I need you to be really honest with me. Have you had drugs in this house?
Hold on to me. I'm here. Please don't let me die.
In control, North West Ambulance Service are receiving over 300 999 calls an hour.
Ambulance, is the patient breathing?
There's a hemorrhage. What should we do? She's not breathing. Please.
Yeah, all right, okay, don't worry.
Thames crews Simon and Laura are immediately dispatched.
Manchester Trauma Cells just allocated us to this job in Hume. It's a hit and run, not breathing.
The hit and run is a Category 1 emergency, the highest priority.
Right, can you go over to her and find out if she's awake and if she's breathing? Because if she's not breathing, we need to start CPR.
We've got a nurse. Okay, we've got a doctor.
A doctor on scene, okay.
She's in CPR. Where is it going to be?
Yeah, it's on the way, it's close by, don't worry.
An off-duty doctor has started to care for the patient in the road. Simon and Laura are 3 miles away. 2 ambulance vehicles are dispatched, as well as a senior paramedic. 7 police cars are already en route.
Sharon, you got details of this RTC? There's loads of details.
Okay, guys, I'm Simon. I'm heli-med doctor.
You're just going to pack a leg. Right.
What have you got airway-wise at the moment? Nothing yet. Okay, so I think we're going to need a tube.
Right.
When did we last have a rhythm check, guys?
Just before you took over the
Okay, so
Why you do that?
after those 30, we'll pause for a rhythm check and pulse check.
You have to do the other side of this one as well.
Yeah. Okay, so stop there. Let's just feel for a pulse. We've got electrical activity, but no pulse. PEA.
Tube's here.
Airways in. Okay, carry on CPR. Right then, if I can come back to the head and see if we've got an arterial bleed or anything that needs stemming. Are you okay ventilating still? There's nothing we can realistically do there, I don't think. Okay, pause CPR, let's feel for a pulse. No pulse. Okay, carry on CPR. Have we put any adrenaline through that IO?
Yeah. Before we give this adrenaline, we'll do a check. Yeah.
Yeah, go on, pause there. Asystolic.
Yeah. Okay.
Give the adrenaline, yeah.
Okay.
So carry on CPR. Right, let's just think systematically. So A is sorted, airways in. B, we're ventilating. C, we've got no active hemorrhage, fluids going in, TXA's in. D, obviously cardiac arrest. Okay, so I don't think there's any more we can do on scene now. We go to Salford. What do you think? Laura, scoop and run to Salford?
I'm just thinking whether...
What do you think, call it here?
Ventilate.
Okay, that's asystole, no pulse. I'm going to call it here. Obviously, we'll have 40 minutes of prolonged CPR and she's in asystole, so sadly, time of death is 22:02. I just want to debrief with everyone in the back of the ambo, make sure everyone's all okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, senior paramedic on scene confirms cardiac arrest. 25.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
That's pretty grim.
Yeah, it's not very nice.
That was quite tough for everyone, hey? And I wanted to make sure that you're okay. And so what actually happened when you got there, you two?
So I was here first. I was driving past and saw them doing CPR, so our legs, obviously with open fractures.
Yeah.
There was one person on the phone and trying to do, and somebody else doing CPR. So I took over CPR while they were on the phone, and then you quite quickly came.
I was just getting a taxi past and saw a bystander doing CPR, and I think there was a crew there already by then, but I just thought you might need more people doing CPR.
Some places ease you in.
CPR.
Yeah. Okay. I guess the first thing to say from my point of view is to the two of you is thanks for stopping and helping. Hey, for that young lady, which is very, very sad, I don't think there's any more we could possibly have done for her. So maybe the two of you, before you go, could leave us your details, and I might give you a ring later on or tomorrow or whatever, just to make sure that you're okay. I hope that young FY1 doctor's going to be okay, because she seemed extremely calm and collected, but almost too much for my liking, really. I'll get her details and...
It's just so sad.
Yeah. I think it gives me a sense of doing something that's important, doing something that people need, that not everybody can do, and that I feel I'm good at. All you can really do is try to make those last few moments for that individual as comforting as you can. You can hold their hand, you can put your hand on their forehead. That's something that does stay with you.